Hello, I'm Safa, and now I'm in Munich to attend the IDI exhibition of our Huawei Forum in 2023. We have a big and a huge exhibition hall that we can share and present our showcase of products and solution of storage. Here we can see a lot of attendees from researchers, experts, professionals, and even young talents to present and to share with us their experience. So we are excited to dive more and more with the trending topics with them and to learn and to see what they have opinion and their opinion about our forum. So let's go! Hello, welcome to the IDI Forum 2023 of Huawei. So can you introduce yourself, please?
Sure. My name is Jerome Wendt. I'm the CEO and Principal Data Protection Analyst for the Data Center Intelligence Group, or DCIG.
Okay, welcome. So I want to ask you some questions about the keynotes that we already introduced in this forum. So what do you think about it, and which part that you feel really interesting to you?
So, well, first of all, I think I was a little surprised just at how much I didn't know about Huawei and what you all do. I mean, I knew you were a comprehensive technology company that covered, networking, storage, compute, and infrastructure, but just the level of technology that you offer and the features and really the thoughtfulness in which way these different features are implemented, really, I was pleasantly surprised by how much you had to offer. I think the one thing that really caught me was just really your emphasis on cyber resiliency and what you've done, and again, I'm specifically focused on data protection and storage. What you've done there is really a model for how the technology industry should be looking at how to implement cyber resiliency, and really every company should be looking at how to implement cyber resiliency inside their infrastructure to protect their data from the threats of ransomware and really secure their infrastructure.
Yeah, it's really interesting, solution that we provide, especially the anti-ransomware solution for Ocean Protect or Dorado that we make already one-to-one, step-to-step to make growth. And really, especially that we are needed to such type of solution for our customers and
Absolutely.
partners. Yeah. Okay. So maybe you can give me some scenario or example that you already make it with us, like a partner or like a client for Huawei, and that you resolve it good or your interest.
So I would say, for anyone, I think again, what really struck me was I went to attend a session today where I talked about how they're using the Ocean Protect technology, and really what companies can really look at. And I think what really kind of struck me is how many manufacturing companies are impacted by ransomware. And again, I come from the U.S., so I think about manufacturing, but also a lot of public entities where they're very susceptible to ransomware. They also have the levels of protection in place. They don't really have the manpower in place to address it. So when you think about the fact that it can not only it looks inside the data that you have, it checks it for ransomware. It has mechanisms in place for you to alert to it, but then even more importantly, it gives you options to recover for it, and you can even use in this case, your different platforms to actually begin the recovery on the platforms and quickly protect against data. I think this is, again, to my mind, and the way I look at data protection and data storage and recovery and business continuity, all these very important concepts that companies are struggling with today, you have an answer for that, which is not something a lot of your competitors can say at this point.
Okay, so good. We are happy to hear that. So this is your first time that you attend such type of forum?
From Huawei, yes, that is correct. First time I've been here, yes.
So what do you think about our logo? Like new data, new apps, and new resilience?
Yeah, so what I really liked about that, from my perspective, when I started looking at, I think one of the technologists I was talking to, I think he really described it well. It used to be so far, it used to be like there used to be this model was cloud first. But today the world has changed. I mean, it should be workload first. So when you start thinking about where you're deploying your applications, whether it's in the cloud, on premises, and having the flexibility to, have the flexibility to move where you want it, that's today's world. And even remotely. Well, what I'm hearing announced at this conference is you now have again, your new data, new apps. You can't always tell where your applications are going to be developed. Huawei, with the infrastructure that it's developed and the way it's coming to market and its strategy and its vision, it gives you the flexibility to really deploy workloads wherever you need them, even develop them wherever you need them, and then move them around as is required. So I think this statement aligns very well with your strategy and really where businesses, as they look towards the future, need to go.
Okay, thank you so much.
You bet.
So it was good to discuss with you, and thank you for your sharing.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much for having me. I look forward to coming back to another conference in the future. I'm looking forward to my last to tomorrow's sessions as well.
You'll be always welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you
well,
so
thank
much.
you. You bet.